Hi, dear students. This is Neeraj Kaur from Mount Literature G School. TGT Computer Science. I am going to present a video lecture for class 9th, and it is based on the lesson 1 computer system. In this lesson we learn what is a computer system, different functions of a computer system, IPO cycle, CPU and its component, different type of computer systems according to their applications, according to their uses. IB's types of computer based on the principles of operation and the type of computers based on the configuration. A computer system can be considered as the combination of hardware and software which processes data to convert it into a meaningful information. We can say a computer system is a set of integrated devices that input, output, process, and store data and information. Computer systems are currently built around at least one digital processing device. There are five main hardware components in a computer system. The first one is input, second processing, where we use a central processing unit. Third one is storage, fourth output, and the fifth one communication devices. What are the basic information performed in a computer system? The answer is that a computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. There are five main hardware components in a computer system: input, process, storage, output, and communication devices. These devices used for entering data or instructions to the central processing unit that are called input devices and classified according to their method they use to enter data. In other words, we can say in a computer system, input unit input is given through input devices like keyboard, mouse, and etc. The second main part is CPU, where we see a memory unit, ALU, and control unit. Memory unit store data and instructions for a temporary storage, and the another one is ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic and logical operations on data that are performed by ALU. And the third is control unit. CU controls the functioning of all the components of a computer as like as ALU, registers, and handle the input which is given by the input device, and process, then send that data, process data, to the output device for display on the monitor. Output is in form of the soft copy or a hard copy. I am going to repeat again. IPO cycle means input process output cycle is the compromised unit by which we give commands through the input device like keyboard and mouse, which is then stored and convert data into machinery or a binary language. It is the unit which receives the input data and instructions for processing, which means to process the product through the brain of the computer. Brain of computer means CPU, central processing unit. And the third one is output unit, is the unit which receives the process item and give to the output to the outside world through output device like printer, and the VDU means monitor.